Welcome back to Motivational Insights. Today, we're going to tackle a question that might seem trivial at first glance, but it holds valuable lessons about overcoming obstacles and embracing opportunities. Today, we're delving into the fascinating history behind something we often take for granted: road partitions, more commonly known as Jersey barriers. Have you ever wondered why these ubiquitous barriers are called Jersey barriers? The answer might surprise you. Let's dive into the story. The story begins in the early 1950s, during the height of America's highway construction boom. Engineers were faced with the challenge of creating durable and effective barriers to separate lanes of traffic and prevent accidents. Enter the New Jersey State Highway Department, which was at the forefront of innovation in highway safety. In 1955, engineers from the department developed a new type of barrier made from precast concrete. These barriers were not only strong and sturdy but also relatively easy to install and transport. They quickly gained popularity across the country for their effectiveness in improving highway safety. As these barriers became more widespread, they earned the nickname Jersey barriers as a nod to their origins in New Jersey. The term Jersey barrier became so ingrained in the lexicon of highway safety that it's now used across the United States and even internationally. The legacy of the Jersey barrier serves as a reminder of the power of innovation and collaboration in creating solutions that make our roads safer for everyone. So, the next time you see those concrete barriers lining the highway, remember the ingenuity and dedication that went into their creation. Let them be a symbol of progress and perseverance on our journey towards safer roads. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more motivational insights and fascinating discoveries. Remember to hit the like button, leave a comment to share your thoughts, and spread the positivity by sharing this video with your friends and family. Together, we can create a ripple effect of inspiration and empowerment. We look forward to seeing you in our next episode. Until then, keep shining bright and embracing the wonders of the world around you. Thank you for joining us on Motivational Insights. Here's to a new year filled with endless possibilities. Until next time, stay inspired and keep striving for greatness. Until next time, keep seeking wisdom in the everyday, and may your journey be filled with moments of inspiration and insight.